All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol Nndm, Nano Dimensions. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel. Invest for Tomorrow. To all my subscribers, welcome back. And let's jump into this chart. So we're going to look at the chart later this afternoon. I mean, I could already start analyzing it if I really wanted to, but I'd rather wait for a little bit of more action in the next couple of hours and see where this is going. And we're going to look at it closely and then look at it broader. But I'm actually looking at the chart because of the fact that early in the morning, a lot of people started to find out about this article that was released obviously last night, and it made a big impact on Nano Dimensions. So Nano Dimensions prices 60 million registered direct offering. So they are announcing that they've already filed at $5 per share. And that's going to happen December 2nd of 2020, which means that's in 2 days. So I believe that we need to pay very close attention, which when we do the chart analysis, I'll break it down on how Nano's going to react tomorrow. Because Nano can go two ways. It can actually start hitting newer highs that it hasn't seen before, or get real close to the highs that it previously hit, due to the fact that they know there's going to be a direct offering, or it's actually pulling itself back up. It's going to have really good excitement from investors, and it's going to attract more investors these last couple of hours of the day, and probably even aftermarket. And tomorrow we will see a slight pullback from investors that want to collect profits, which is what happened very quickly here in the beginning of the day. I just wanted to go ahead and do a video on showing you guys what's going on and why this happened for anybody that's been questioning it and wasn't aware. So I just wanted to take time to share with you guys that Nano is doing a direct offering, and it's going to do it at $5 per share, and also it's going to be a total of 60 million that they're going to be able to get from this offering. And they state that they're going to use it for obviously working capital and general corporate purposes to pursuing strategic opportunities, which if you feel comfortable with what Nano Dimensions is doing, you will actually be not bothered by this. If anything, you're excited by this, because if you're a true believer of Nano Dimensions and the innovation that this company is doing, this is not really a problem. If anything, I would love to see what your guys' thoughts and comments are down below. It's going to happen December 2nd. And what I mean by what your thoughts and comments are down below, I would like to see how you feel about this. Do you think that now this is literally finally going to let Nano Dimensions break free from this cap of about $6 to $7 now and hit newer highs? Or is this going to probably drop Nano Dimensions slightly and hold it down for some time? I'm not saying that it will stay down there forever, but do you think it would drop it back down closer to that $5 mark and kind of stay stuck there and consolidate for a little bit? Or do you think this is going to have that same effect that the most recent offering had, and it dropped it from $6 all the way down to about $4.02, and then from that point forward have that growth? So can you imagine that it does the same effect, and every single time these offerings have happened, it has dropped it down, and then the only thing is that the previous offering compared to the most recent one actually kept going down until it finally did a recovery and brought itself back up. That's something important to keep in mind. You want to pay close attention to how this is going to react. But do you think it's going to repeat itself similarly to this most recent direct offering? It's going to have a drop due to the fact that that happened, and then it's going to have that rising effect. Because if this drops down, let's just say close to 5 or maybe slightly below it, and it has this same effect, and we know, and it is confirmed that this is the last direct offering, probably, let's just say, for the year, this could be on its way in the same direction upwards to newer highs. If you agree with me, You're more than welcome to comment down below what your thoughts are. Where do you see it going? And how do you feel about it? And also, if you disagree with me and you say, well, it's probably going to hang out around here, it's going to have to consolidate before it starts to rise up, you're more than welcome to share that as well. We'd love to see your guys' insight and what you guys think. Like I always say, it's not just my voice in the videos and talking about the chart and the news that's going on. It's also you guys. You all have a voice. We're all a community here, and we're all here to learn and grow together. But I'm actually surprised that this is happening so soon and so fast. I mean, it was supposed to take probably weeks from now, and they're just throwing it out there. And I'm also assuming that the company itself is seeing that this is on its way up. When you really look at this on the broader perspective of things, dropping it down to $5 isn't going to stop it from going in that direction. If anything, if they don't do a direct offering now and they actually do it later, they wouldn't be able to do it for $5. It would have to be for probably $7, because this would probably have been almost at $8 to $10 if they kept letting it grow. So what they're trying to do, me personally, when I'm analyzing here what the company might be trying to do, is bring this down now and bring it back up just as fast as this went up, right? And even the most recent one, and excuse me for all these circles, it looks like a whole scribble scrabble, but just trying to emphasize here these certain sections. So the bigger circle, and then the smaller one, which is the most recent direct offering, this section right here from this drop and bring itself up, they're trying to create that to go ahead and just drop, and then from now on just add this distance onto this distance up here, and you'll see this probably hit newer highs. I mean, it's gonna be pretty interesting. I don't think it's something to run from, but if you feel comfortable taking profits, you're more than welcome to, and then re-entering at another position. It's just that you'll be taking profits from anywhere below those points, and it's up to you to say, okay, I believe in the company. If you're bullish, you stay. If you don't believe in the company, you know, you're more than welcome to take your profits. I mean, I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just here to go ahead and analyze the charts as always and state some news and information that's going on. So here we are seeing that Nano Dimensions has already announced this, and it's going to happen on December 2nd. This important thing I want to talk about Wednesday is that we have 2 days for the rest of the week. So if the direct offering does happen on Wednesday, we'll have to watch closely how this reacts Thursday and Friday, because if it doesn't kind of like wake up Thursday or Friday before the end of the week, then it's going to be consolidating around that area of where the direct offering price target was. So it actually bring this down and it'll kind of hang out there, which it kind of did that for a whole day here when the most recent direct offering happened. But right after, it just started to get life. I mean, obviously the volatility of the market does exist. It was going up and then down. Okay, it went up and down and then upwards. Okay, that's understandable. But it got life right after the next day. Like, it literally didn't just sit there. Now, the most recent direct offering, right, when this happened was actually on a Friday, but it got life right away on a Monday. It started the week strong. Now, this is pretty fast to be doing a direct offering. I guess, like I said, they're seeing, I believe, this is my own opinion. You don't have to agree with me, or you could disagree with me. I believe that they said, whoa, this is growing way too fast in less than 2 weeks. It went from $4 all the way up to $7. That's like almost 100% return, right? On the total point from $4 to $7 and some change. And they're like, okay, well, if we just bring it down to 5 and people feel comfortable that there isn't a direct offering for the rest of the year, I believe that the whole month of December, if we went up 100% in like 2 weeks, this could probably even go up 200%. Or let's just say, to lowball it, 100% in the next 3 to 4 weeks. I believe that. I believe that that's possible because it's showing that in the history of the chart, and it's showing that most recently But we're going to have to see. Like I said, there's two ways this could go. It goes down, right, because the direct offering kind of hangs out sideways, or it drops, it hangs out sideways, and then it picks up life pretty quickly and starts to do that staircase effect and bring itself up to newer highs. Now, what I do believe is that if this direct offering happens, we're going to have to watch if ARK Invest is jumping in, what other institutions are jumping in and getting major positions, because those are the key indicators to let us know how good of an opportunity this next direct offering is, quote unquote, right? Quotation marks around the word, of a discount. So we're going to have to see how this plays out. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.